Hey, ladies, and welcome to another peace practice. I am so busy right now, but I wanted to make sure I got this to you because I refuse to miss a day. And we are on, I think today is day 10, right? Or is it 9? I think today is day 10, y'all. So, anyway, today's peace practice is I want to kind of piggyback on yesterday. I talked about the power of the words that are coming out of your mouth, right? And today I want to talk about mantras. Now, you probably have heard of them, but do you use them? Maybe some of you do, some of you don't. Most of you probably don't, right? Because that's just not something that we grew up with, mantras. And so a mantra is a statement that you create to kind of keep something positive on your mind. You know how we can start thinking about something and just kind of ruminate and let it just play over and over. And if it's negative, which a lot of times it is, we want to break that up and put some positive words in there. And so a good positive mantra would just be something that you say to yourself just to change your train of thought and make it positive. Something like, it could be pretty much anything, but I like to say, today is going to be a good day. You can make it something like that. But what I'm going to tell you to do is make it a question, because the subconscious mind likes to answer questions, and we want to make it a positive question, okay? So we'll say something like, how good is today going to be? That would be a good one, huh? Or you have a meeting coming up and maybe you're a little nervous about what's going to happen in the meeting. How great is this meeting going to be? How great is the outcome going to be for this meeting of whatever you have going on? Okay? How great is the outcome going to be? I like that one. Make up one or use that one. So what do you think? That's quick and easy because I'm driving and it's raining. So y'all know I'm risking my life for y'all. I love y'all that way, huh? Oh my goodness. Let me see if I can make this light. Oh, Lord, it's yellow. Oh, Lord. Okay, I made it. Okay. All right, so anyway, how great can it be? I had to do that a few days ago. I had a situation where I knew I had this meeting coming up, and I was like, I was a little worried about it, and I don't like to speak negative over my future. So I said something like, I wonder how good this is going to turn out. So do that, and just let that be your mantra that goes through your mind. How great is the next moment going to be? How wonderful is the next blessing going to be for me? Okay? And just speak that out of your mouth several times a day, especially when you find your mind just wandering off to something unhealthy, something negative. And that's going to bring you your peace. You'll be amazed at how it works, okay? Especially if you say it over and over, and especially if you say it out loud. Say it out loud. It's necessary to say it out loud. Well, I guess it's not absolutely necessary, but it's definitely more powerful if you say it out loud. Alrighty, so if you have a mantra that you already say, let us know that one in the comments. I have a food mantra that I say. I have a couple of them. I have one that's, I am not a garbage can. And that's for like when you are eating and you get full and there's just a little bit more food on the plate. And people always say, oh, why are you eating that? I'm throwing that in the trash. I'm not a garbage can. I'm putting that in the trash where it belongs because it's extra. I don't need it. Or another food mantra I have, if I don't love it, I don't swallow. So these are just things that will remind me to not overeat. Okay? But I'm asking you to create one that's just going to remind you to keep a positive outlook, expect the best, and then enjoy the peace that comes to you as a result of you doing that. Okay? Alrighty, so that is your peace practice for today, and I'll see you tomorrow. Have a great day.